So today we are in Penticton. We're at this beautiful mountain bluff top free camping site. We're going to be sleeping in the car tonight because we don't have any samples because they're all at the expo. Because we are attending the Okanagan Gran Fondo here in Penticton.
And the reason that we're here is because we went to another parking lot at Skaha Bluffs, which is a very popular spot to go rock climbing. Not that we rock climb, but it is. And this couple recommended that we come stay here because it's free. So here we are. Hey, I'm Devin.
And I'm Alessa. We're the co-founders of Algi, a Canadian purpose-driven food company creating food products centered around algae. Our first product is the Impact Bar. It's an unprocessed plant-based endurance bar made with clean and simple ingredients, and it's got enough energy to sustain you for whatever adventure awaits.
This summer, we're going on a 7-month road trip all across Western Canada to showcase, promote, and sell the Impact Bar. Follow our journey by subscribing to our YouTube and check us out on social media to hear the latest news and updates about what the team is doing as we progress throughout the summer. From Penticton, it's Friday, and Rogers isn't working. Thank you, Rogers. No, but actually, we're about to check into the Penticton Convention Center because we're here for the Okanagan Gran Fondo here in Penticton. This is an awesome event that runs, I actually don't know if it ran last year. I don't think it ran last year, but it's pretty consistent. I would argue it's probably like the biggest Gran Fondo in Canada other than Whistler. So it's an awesome event for us to be at. It's going to be a very similar vibe to the Vancouver Marathon and the Expo in the Convention Center in Vancouver that we were in. So this is going to be a great opportunity for us to give product to the necessary consumers, get a ton of consumer feedback, and really just put the product in front of people and grow the brand as much as possible. However, we also have a lot of work to do today, but staffing issues meant that one of the Starbucks in Penticton is closed, except not for drive-in, but just to go in. And then 2, the other Starbucks in Penticton is an absolute cluster, you know what, of people. Like, I've never seen more people in a Starbucks in my life, to the extent that I feel really bad for the people working there because they are just hustling. Like, it looks like they have enough staff. They've got like 10 people behind the counters, but oh my God, they are just going for it. And as a result of the Rogers outage, thank you Rogers, the service in there, the Wi-Fi is horrible. So we still haven't been able to upload Wednesday's vlog. It's just a constant problem, but you know, it is what it is. If we were anywhere else, like in Europe or the States, probably wouldn't be an issue. But in Canada, where the Wi-Fi and the level of service for telecommunications companies sucks, yet we pay a lot of money, it's challenging. What do you want?
Oh, we gotta start loading things in.
See, I do all the heavy lifting, and you just stand behind the camera. seeing this? None. None is the answer.
That is a pretty epic sunset.
Yeah. Look at that. Epic.
And right down there is our free campsite for the second night in a row.
Yay!
All right, tell the people what they want to hear.
What do the people want to hear?
I don't know.
Comment below what you want to hear.
Those 20 viewers.
Those whole 20 viewers. So today we had the expo, the second day of the expo at the Okanagan Gran Fondo. Really great. What I wanted yesterday was just like the same level from yesterday, is the same level of busyness. So we had enough time to talk to people and actually explain the product and answer their questions, but also to be able to talk to a lot of people. And I think we had that perfect level today where there was a few busy periods, there was a few lulls, but for the most part, it was very like, you know, we were able to have these conversations, talk about the product. We really refined how we talked about the product as well, which is really great. So kind of learning more about what people actually care about, how do we present the product to people, and yeah, it's a good day overall.
And today was our best sales day.
Best like
market or
sales
expo,
day.
yeah.
Yeah, market or
day.
expo sales day. So that's also another big win because we hit a new milestone. So yay! And then we get to end the day with this.
Yeah.
That's so epic. Free campsite and this is our view.
Damn.
Sensational. Sensational.
Pretty sweet. But now I'm really hungry, so we gotta go eat.